This is the Promptcaster Pro AI tool designed to help improve and give feedback on the prompts that you enter to give to AI. The prompt that I'm providing says, please write an article on the importance of Google's new AI mode, which is starting to roll out around the world, and tell exactly how New Zealand marketers need to prepare in order to be as well positioned as possible for this transformative Google approach. Attached is the transcript of a video by Neil Patel explaining the importance of AI mode, along with a link to the actual video. Please do as much additional research as is required in order to create an effective article and provide strategic guidance. That's the first step, and then if we scroll down the page, then we choose what output we require. In this case, we want copywriting. Marketing objective is simply awareness, and to save time, I previously uploaded a document and also given the link to the YouTube video. All we do now is click on Analyze Prompt. This will take a few minutes, but through the magic of editing we can shorten the time that it takes to analyze. And then the next step is to take us to step 2. So it does an assessment of the initial prompt and tells you what you should refine in terms of who the target audience is going to be, what the region is, what kind of platform you want to put it on, what the word count is, any of the key elements that are required. Pain points, potential traffic loss, outdated SEO strategies, and specific CTAs, and gives you some suggested wording tweaks. So then if we go further down, it has copied that information into a data entry field which you can change as required, and then identifies what the specific USP, unique selling proposition of the product or service is. It talks about the pain points, it talks about the message tone, gives a specific call to action, how you'll measure success metrics of the market is, what language you should use, language being switching between US or British English, and we'll go for British English. Talks about the word count. We'll take out New Zealand examples and we'll choose real global examples where possible. Publication deadline, it's a bit irrelevant, but we'll leave it with that. And then it goes through and copies the enhanced prompt instructions in to inform the next step. So once you've made whatever changes you might want to make there, then you go to recommend frameworks and optimize. And this next step is where the AI is thinking again based on all those instructions and is going to compile that into a more compact final prompt for you to review. And again, this will take a little bit of time. The last process took 30 seconds. This is going to take a bit longer. So through the magic of editing, we will shorten that as well. Oh, we didn't need to. Here it is. And it talks about the marketing frameworks that you might use, and it then gives you an optimized prompt so you can work your way through and review that necessary. It also gives you its estimate of the quality of that particular optimized prompt. Then we click on execute, and here we are. Here is the output based on that comprehensive brief of, in this particular case, a story about Google's new AI mode. And it gives an introduction, talks about the shift to conversational context, which is the most significant part, the reality for New Zealand marketers, and then an action plan, some strategies to help New Zealand marketers win. And then it goes through those strategies and then talks about New Zealand versus the world, why it's urgent, and don't get left behind. And then in this instance it offers a New Zealand specific checklist.